Shout out to my female entrepreneurs online. I want to talk to you gals who are with those big companies that have been around for 20 years. You know the ones. You've probably been with a few of them, selling high-priced products, wellness products, beauty products, big compensation plans, free trips, free cars. You know what I'm talking about. I know you're a smart gal, otherwise you wouldn't be building a business online. You know how your volumes have been dropping every month for the past year or two? You know how your company profits are diving? How your customers are ghosting you? And that icky feeling in your belly trying to sell somebody a product which is over $100 and you just know they can't afford it? My friend, those days are over. That is the old school way of online marketing. That is done. I want to introduce you to the #1 fastest moving home-based business ever in history. And if you haven't heard about it, listen up to the end. I've got something for you. 60,000 members join this every month in over 200 countries. You never have to buy or sell any products. Certainly don't have to hassle your family and friends. Imagine if Amazon had a membership that paid you back, profit share, from all the members that joined. Yes, you'd be a millionaire by now, but they never had a membership that paid you back. This company does. And just to kill off that objection, it has been around for almost 2 years, is AAA rated. Look, I came across this 9 weeks ago. I have a ridiculous 190 members under me already. When was the last time you had 190 people in your downline? I also earned 4 figures in my first month. And I work full time. I'm doing this on the side as a side hustle. Gals, is it time to stop the insanity with what you've been doing? Blindly jumping from company to company because your volumes are dropping and you figure it must be the company? I think you're smart enough now to know that it's not. It's actually the industry. The industry is done. So come across to the light side. You know that diamond rank you've been chasing? People are getting to diamond within 6 months. I got to gold in 2 months and I'm halfway to platinum and I've only just started. I'm 9 weeks in. Gals, imagine what is possible with your can-do attitude in 6 months, 12 months, even next year. We're all going to be diamonds and crown diamonds. This is ridiculously good. I literally am not sleeping at the moment. The possibilities in this are absolutely endless. You've got to take a look at this. See this Facebook group here? I need you to find it on Facebook and request access. I'll tag you in a couple of important videos. You can get up to speed and make up your own mind. There is no pressure here. Don't miss this. You don't want to have FOMO in 3 months with everyone else is flying and you looked at this and said and did nothing. Gals, startup fee is less than $50. No big packs to buy. And the only monthly cost is $9.95 a month. That's it. Forever. That's it. Come on, let's make some true passive residual income together. Let's all be diamonds next year in 2025. So jump in the Facebook that's here on the screen or leave me a comment and let's chat about this. It's time to clean up the industry and do things better.